Hi guys, welcome to MechTech 360 channel. Those who are not subscribed, please subscribe. In this video, I will discuss about this socket weld inspection main points I have to discuss. Mainly in socket weld, we have to mainly focus on this gap control is the main thing. In B31.3 process piping, all of you know, in this standard it is given 328.5.2c paragraph, it is given one drawing. In this they are mentioned that is minimum 1.5 mm, 1.5 mm gap should be maintained for the socket joints. Why they are making this gap means mainly during the welding of this socket joint there will be some expansion of this due to the heat temperature. There will be some expansion will be happen. So if we maintain the gap means we will equalize this one. And the main there are two methods we are using to maintain the gap. One is marking method and another one is we have using the O-lettering or O-ring, that is soluble or water soluble type, or we have to use like it is like a plastic type. I will show the picture. It will be fixing in the socket, then we have to fix the pipe, then we have to maintain the gap. Afterwards, after welding, it will be destroyed, or during the hydro test and all, it will be soluble type. So it is very useful for that gap control. Otherwise, marking method we can use. That briefly I will explain further. And in that, after welding and all completed, the minimum 2 pass we need to weld for socket weld. That is must. Minimum 2 pass we have to weld. That is pressure testing will be happen. This is from B31.3. It is clearly mentioned approximately 1.5 mm gap to be maintained before welding. This is the marking method. The fitter is inserting the pipe into the socket and he is marking all around. It is all around, he is marking around the pipe. So 1-inch pipe, this one. Is after marking it will be inserted now, already inserted, then it's slightly escalated with 1.5 mm to 3 mm. Between that we have to just escalate the pipe. This marking will be above this top edges of the socket now. So thus inside the gap will be maintained 1.5 mm. This is a marking method. This is the second method. The O-lettering is inserted into the socket and maintain a 1.5 mm gap. It is a soluble type. And also main other important point is that for socket weld there will be NDT will be there. It is mainly they are doing PT penetration testing after completion of this weld they have to do. Then for 10% as the client requirement, we have to check the gap maintain or not. We have to check by RT radiography. After doing RT radiography, not only they are mainly taken or radiography for this gap is maintained or not, they will check. And also if any defect also will be find out, means that how to repair it. Once the repair is find out, we have to cut total joint. We have to remove the socket, pipe and all. We have to take a PT, and after that we have to make fit up. That is the procedure. For big bore and all, for the butt joint and all, we have to cut the first mark the location where will be the repair location. We have to excavate and we have to weld. But socket weld, all of you know, it is not possible. So we have to cut the whole joint and it will be re-welded.